Hi guys, do this to fix your Windows software issues, repair corrupted or missing system files and more. Now here is the code we are going to use. I will provide this code, link on the description. Anyway, now save this. I will save as desktop, choose all files and choose any name. And add the extension .bat. This is essential. Save and close it. So here is our repair.bat file. Now right click on it and make sure to run it as administrator. This is important because some actions may require administrative rights to run the repairs. Give permissions when prompted. Now it will run automatically. Please note this can take up to 10 minutes or more, so please be a little patient. So this is done. Now press enter to exit. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.